Today, we're looking at two buzzworthy devices, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Slim and Apple's iPhone 17 Air. The question on everyone's mind, who's copying who? And more importantly, why? Stick around as we unravel the mystery and explore what these two phones might bring to the table. They say there's no smoke without fire, and that certainly seems true in the tech world. The Galaxy S25 Slim and iPhone 17 Air are rumored to be slim, lightweight additions to their respective flagship families. While their official names and exact specs remain under wraps, the chatter is too loud to ignore. It's safe to assume that at least one of these devices is already in the late stages of development, likely gearing up for release in the first half of 2025. But here's the million-dollar question. Is Samsung copying Apple, or is it the other way around? The classic who copied who argument. Samsung and Apple fans have been sparring over this for years. But here's the truth. Does it really matter? The smartphone market is big enough to satisfy all fan bases, and let's face it, both companies draw inspiration from each other. What we should focus on instead is pushing these tech giants to deliver meaningful innovations. Sure, Samsung might beat Apple to the punch with the S25 Slim, but does it matter if Apple started working on the iPhone 17 Air first? Probably not. At the end of the day, most buyers care less about who had the idea first and more about how these devices perform. That brings us to a more intriguing question. Why does the Galaxy S25 Slim even exist? Let's get into it. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S25 Slim will be thinner and lighter than the S24 Ultra while dropping features like the S Pen. Why? Likely to attract a specific audience that prioritizes sleek design over utility. Samsung might position this phone as the fashion-forward option in the Galaxy S25 lineup. It's expected to pack top-tier camera performance but sacrifice battery size to achieve its slim profile. The question is, do we need a thinner flagship? Maybe not. But do we want one? Absolutely. There's always a catch, though. Reducing thickness often comes at the cost of battery life. If the S25 Slim launches with a hefty price tag, say $1,200, and struggles to last a full day on a single charge, will it still appeal to buyers? Samsung might pull off some software magic to optimize battery performance, but a smaller battery is still a concern. It's a risky move, especially when Apple's iPhone 17 Air is expected to focus on energy efficiency alongside its lightweight design. While these slim devices might seem like an exciting evolution, there's a part of me that wonders if Samsung is missing the mark. Instead of chasing Apple's Air branding, why not take inspiration from the iPhone SE and launch a truly affordable Galaxy S25 FE with a large battery and respectable specs? That's the kind of innovation the market really needs, a phone that balances performance, durability, and price. The S25 Slim and iPhone 17 Air might grab headlines, but will they truly deliver the everyday usability most of us are looking for? In the end, both the Galaxy S25 Slim and iPhone 17 Air are shaping up to be interesting experiments in design and functionality. While the S25 Slim might outshine its siblings in camera capabilities, its trade-offs could leave some users disappointed. Meanwhile, Apple's iPhone 17 Air could redefine what we expect from a lightweight device. So, who's copying who? Honestly, it doesn't matter. What matters is how these devices will meet our needs and push the boundaries of what smartphones can do. What do you think? Is Samsung on the right track with the S25 Slim, or should they focus elsewhere? And will Apple's iPhone 17 Air live up to the hype? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech rumors and releases. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.